Look, it's a honeybee. Buzzing through a warm afternoon, a little worker bee dips into colorful flowers. Again and again and again. From each flower, she collects a sweet liquid called nectar. She sips the runny nectar through her straw-like tongue and stores it in a special just for honey tummy. Her tongue is called a proboscis, and it's just like a straw. Look, and you will see how flower pollen dusts the bee like fluffy golden snow. And every once in a while, she stops, rolls the pollen into little balls, and stuffs those into tiny sacks on the back of her legs. When the bee is so heavy with nectar and pollen, she can barely fly. And now she heads home to the hive. Thousands of other worker bees are arriving home too. The whole colony will work together for its queen. As long as she is safe and healthy, so is the hive. The bees are busy. They bustle to and fro. And there she is, the queen bee. The worker bees bring her food and carry out her waste. They also fan their wings to help keep the hive cool. And here is a picture of the colony of bees. A beehive is made up of many honeycombs. One of the most important jobs in the hive is caring for the queen's many eggs. Those are right there, the honeybee eggs. Through the spring and the summer, the queen will lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. That's a lot of eggs. The queen bee lays them in each cell of the honeycomb. Each of the cells have 6 walls. They are in the shape of a hexagon. This is a hexagon. When you put a bunch of hexagons together, you get a honeycomb. And each hexagon has 6 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally, the egg's shell melts away and hello, larva baby. The chubby baby looks nothing like a bee yet. What do you think baby bees eat? At first, they eat a mush called royal jelly. Then they get to eat a honey pollen mixture called bee bread. Each larva makes a cocoon. And then, finally, a honeybee chews open its cocoon and climbs out of its cozy cell. Ta-da! Honeybees keep their hive clean and neat. So, the new bee's first job is to clean her room. Beehives are found in unusual places. There's one right there inside a tree. Many honeybee hives are human-made. Here a beekeeper opens a hive to remove part of the sticky golden honey. Yum! Bye-bye, Buzzy Bee. We hope you find a lot of lovely flowers. If anyone ever says that you're busy as a bee, it's because bees do a lot of work. They have 6 jobs. They have to clean out the cells. They have to feed the queen and the larvae. They have to build and repair the honeycombs. They make honey from the nectar. They have to guard the hive entrance. And they have to fly out to collect the nectar. Have you ever seen a bee on a flower? most important job of the bee is to pollinate. When bees fly from flower to flower, tiny grains of pollen stick to their feet, then get dropped off on another flower. That's called pollination, and that's what helps flowers make more flowers. And sometimes the flowers will turn into things like fruits or vegetables. Without bees, we would not be able to enjoy things like tomatoes, cucumbers, apples, strawberries, melons, broccoli, pumpkins. That's right, bees are what allow us to enjoy all of these delicious things. That's why bees are so important. So next time you visit a garden, be really quiet and you might just hear the zzz of a bee flying by.